Hello students, today we will have our phonics class, alright, phonics class. Now make sure you have the correct book, okay? So it should be book 2 level 2 book 1, okay? Level 2 book 1, alright? Please make sure you have the correct books. Take out your pencils and erasers now, alright? We will start soon. Alright, so before we start our new class for today, I would like to do a little bit of revision, okay? Some revision with you guys. Alright, so let's start our revision from a long time ago, right? You have to tell me the sounds. Tell me the sounds very quickly. Let's wait for the computer to start. Woo, right? So fun. Alright, let's wait. Magic, magic, magic. Oh, see? Magic, right? Alright, so let's say the sound together. Walter Walrus says wah, wah, wah. Right, 3 times, okay? Loudly. And then Fix It Max says x, x, x. Very good. Next one, this is Yellow Yo-Yo Man, and he says yeah. Very good, yeah. Can you hear his sound? Yeah in yellow. Yeah. Can you hear? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes. Can you hear his sound? Yeah in yo-yo. Yeah. Yes, right. And you can also see him here. Right, you can see him. And then what about this one? Yellow. Who is this? Yellow. Who is this? This is Walter Walrus, right? Yellow. We can hear him at the end. All right, this is Zigzag Zebra, right? And what does Zigzag Zebra say? What does he say? Zzz, zzz, right? Zzz. All right, very good. Next one, this is Quarrelsome Queen, and she always likes to go out with her umbrella. She only goes out with her umbrella, right? And what sound does she make? Quarrelsome Queen. Qua, 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 qua. Very good. And then here we have Mr. A, who takes care of Annie Apple. He always wears a special apron, right? So what is his sound, Mr. A? A. Very good. Marcus, can I hear you? What sound does he say? A. Very good. Everyone at home, you can read together, right? And then this is Mr. E. He works in a circus. He takes care of Eddie Elephant. What sound does he make, Mr. E? E. Very good. Mr. E makes his sound E. And then here we have Mr. I, the ice cream man. He gives ice cream to everyone in Letterland. His sound is I. Very good. I. Here we have Mr. O. He likes to go on boat rides, and he uses his special skills, right, to ride the boat. Okay. So what's his sound, Mr. O? Oh. Can we say it together? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Very good. And then we have Mr. U. He keeps care of our umbrellas, right? And he wears a blue uniform, okay? Mr. U, what is his sound? Mr. U. U. And he's wearing a blue uniform. Can you hear his sound in uniform?
Yeah.
Yes, right? Good work. All right, let's move on forward. All right, let's go to the next level. All right, waiting. Okay. So here we have the 2 sounds, right? The 2 letters making 1 sound, okay? Bouncy Band and Lucy Lamplight, their sound together is bull. Okay, look at the color of this one, right? What color is this one? Blue. Very good. Can you hear bull in blue?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you hear bull in brown?
Yeah.
Really? Bull brown.
No.
Can you hear bull in black?
Yeah.
Bull black.
No.
Bull black.
Yeah.
Who says yes? Oh, you are all wrong, right? Bull black. Can you hear bull in black?
No.
Black.
Yes.
Yes, right, Marcus. Very good. Can you hear bull in brown?
No.
No, right? No. Oop, let me erase this. So be careful, right? Bull and burr, 2 different sounds. Black, blue, brown is different, right? Different sounds. Okay, what about this one? What sound?
Cool.
Cool. Can you hear cool in clever?
Yes.
Clever. Can you hear cool in
yes,
clever? Yes. Can you hear cool in creed? Creed. Can you hear cool in creed? Really?
No.
No, right? Because I say cur, right? Creed. Creed and cool is different. Alright, what about this one? Firefighter Fred and Lucy Lamplight. Their sound is? Oh, who remembers? Avery, can you say it loudly? Full. Very good, full. Alright, so Firefighter Fred and Lucy Lamplight, right? So their sound together is full. Full. Firefighter Fred has a pipe of water, and the water, when he turns this on, it will fly out the water, right? The water will be shooting, flying into the air, right? Fly, full. Can you hear full in fly?
Yes.
Yes, right? Good. What about this one? Golden Girl and Lucy Lamplight. Their sound together is? Ghoul. Ghoul. On top of her head, you can see her green glasses. Right? Can you hear ghoul in glasses?
Yes.
Is Mr. Joe wearing glasses? Am I wearing glasses? Yes, right? So ghoul glasses. Very good. Next one. Peter, Poppy, and Lucy Lamplight. Together they say? Pull. 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 Thank you very much. Okay, when I say please, please, is there pull sound in please?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Is there pull sound in ball?
No.
Pull, ball, pull, ball.
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
No, right? Ball is bouncy band, right? Ball. Can you hear pull in play?
Yes.
Can you hear pull in pray? Pull, no, right? No. Very good. Thank you very much. Now let's move on to the next one. Sammy Snake and Lucy Lamplight. Together they say? So. Now, Sammy Snake and Lucy Lamplight, when they go to the Letterland playground, right? They like to play on the slide. Can you hear in slide?
Yes.
Can you hear in sleep? Sleep?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Alright, now we have Bouncy Ben and Red Robot. Together they say? Okay, again, together they say? Brr, brr, brr. Can you hear brr in the color brown?
Yeah.
Can you hear brr in the color blue?
No.
No, right? So, brr, brown. Okay, brown, brr, brown. Okay, next one we have Clever Cat and Red Robot. Together they say? Cur, cur. Right, once upon a time, right, Clever Cat was eating cream, but then Red Robot hit Clever Cat, so his bowl of cream fell to the floor, and Clever Cat started crying, right, crying. Can you hear cur in crying?
Yeah.
Yes, right, cur, cry, cry. Can you hear cur in cream?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. What's happening here? Okay. Okay, next one. Durr, right? Durr, durr. Everyone, don't touch your faces, okay? Durr, Dippy Duck and Red Robot. Durr, durr, okay? Their sound is durr. Can you hear durr in drink? Durr, drink,
No.
drink. Can you hear durr in drink?
Yes.
Yes, right? Durr, 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 drink. Can you hear durr in drip, drop, drip, drop? Yes, right? Thank you again. Hey, very good. Okay, Firefighter Fred and Red Robot. Firefighter Fred and Red Robot. What is their sound together? Fur, fur. Right, one time, right? Red Robot stole something from Firefighter Fred, and Firefighter Fred used his water cannon, his water hose, and say, "Freeze! Freeze! Give me back what you stole from me." Can you hear fur in freeze? Freeze, fur, freeze. Can you hear it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, right. Freeze. Okay, next one. Peter, Puppy, and Red Robot. Together they will say purr, purr, purr. Right, purr. Next one. What about Golden Girl and Red Robot? What sound will they make? I can't hear you. Louder, please. Grr, grr, grr. Like what color is this?
Green.
Green. Can you hear grr in green?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Can you hear grr in glass? Grr, glass. No, right? Alright, Talking Tess and Red Robot. Together they say tur, tur. Okay, Talking Tess is very tall, right? She looks like a tree, right? Very tall like a tree, right? She's very tall like a tree. Can you hear tur in tree?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Good work, everyone. Now let's go to the last one. Okay. So this one we've learned before, right? Noisy Nick and Golden Girl. Together, their sound is... What's their sound? Noisy Nick and Golden Girl. What do you think their sound is together? Right, I'll give you a hint. They like to play some swinging, right? They like to play the swings. And sometimes, when they don't play the swing, they like to sing songs. What do you think their sound is? Noisy Nick and Golden Girl. Have you forgotten? Very good, Avery. Can I hear you say it together with me? Okay. Not munching mic, right? Right? Alright, can we say it together? 1, 2, 3. Right, can you say sing? Sing? Can you say it? 1, 2, 3. Sing. Okay, the last sound, right? Sing. Can you do it one more time? Sing. Okay, the sound, right? Sing. That's the Noisy Nick and Golden Girl sound. Sing. Okay? Alright. Next one we have Sammy Snake and Walter Walrus. Avery, pay attention, right? So everyone at home as well, you can read with us. Sammy Snake and Walter Walrus, their sounds are swa, swa. For example, Walter Walrus likes to do this very much. What does he like to do? Right, yes. Splashing some water. But what does he also do in the water? He likes to go swimming, right? Swim, okay? So can you hear swa in swim? Yes, right? Swa, swim. Alright, next one we have Sammy Snake and Munching Mike. Together their sound is some. Can you hear some in smart? Some smart. Okay, maybe I should take off my mask for a while, right? Okay, so Sammy Snake and Munching Mike, right? Pay attention to my mouth. Let me take off my mask, okay? Some. This is Sammy Snake and Munching Mike, right? Some. Can you hear some in smart?
Yeah.
Smart, right? Very good. Can you hear some in snot? Snot. No, right? So the next sound, right? What sound is this again? What sound is this? Some. You close your lips, right? Some. What about this one? Sammy Snake and Noisy Nick. What sound is this? Sun. Okay, look at me carefully. Look at me carefully. If Sammy Snake and Noisy and Munchie Mike is some, S and M, right? Some. You close your mouth. Sammy Snake and Noisy Nick is sun, right? Your tongue will point up. Sun, right? Sun, right? So can you hear sun in smart? Sun, smart. No, right? Can you hear sun in snow? Yes, very good. Can you hear sun in sneak? Sneak. Sneak.
Yes.
Yes, right? So be careful, right? Sammy Snake Munching Mike is some. Close your mouth. Some. And this one is Sammy Snake and Noisy Nick. Sun. Your mouth is a little bit open, right? Your tongue will touch the top. Sun. No. Okay? Alright, let me put back my mask on. Alright, so those are the two differences, right? Some. Mouth closed. Sun. You use your tongue to touch the top part, right? Sun. Alright. What about this one? Sammy Snake and Peter Puppy. Together they will say sp. This is sun, right? Peter Puppy. Sp. Remember again, the P sound, right, is not p. It's not hard, right? Not too hard. Very soft, right? Sp. Alright, can I hear you, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Right? Sp. Very soft. Now, can you hear sp in spot? Spot. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Can you hear sp in sing?
No.
No, right? Can you hear sp in spin?
No.
Spin.
Yes.
Yes, right? Can you hear sp in scarf? Scarf.
No.
No, right? Very good. Next one, we have Sammy Snake and Talking Test. Together they say... Sammy Snake, Talking Test, what will they say together? Right? Very soft Talking Test also. Not st, okay? Very soft. Okay? Can you hear st in star? Star?
Yes.
Yes. Can you hear st in stairs? Stairs? Can you hear st in stairs?
No.
Yes, right. Stairs. Stairs. Pay attention. All right, everyone, pay attention. Stairs. We can hear. How about step? Step. Can we hear st in step? Step.
No.
You cannot. How about step?
Yes.
Yes, right. Step. All right, good. So what's their sound again, everyone? What's their sound? Okay, good. Now we come to what we're going to learn today. We are going to learn about the sound of Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Yay! And also Sammy Snake and Kicking King. So 2 sounds today, right? 2 friends. Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. And also Sammy Snake and Kicking King, right? And also Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. So do you want to hear the story about their sounds?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay, so listen carefully, okay? Listen carefully. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. So once upon a time in Letterland, we have these 2 animals, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Alright. And Sammy Snake said, I want to go somewhere else aside from the playground. I want to go to the beach. Okay, I want to go to the beach. I want to play some games in the beach. And Clever Cat said, but the beach is so far away. The beach is so far away. How do we get there? How will we get there? And then Sammy Snake said, oh, I have an idea. I have a very special machine that can help us go to some place very quickly. And Clever Cat said, what kind of machine is that? What kind of machine? Sammy Snake says, it is a scooter. A scooter. And Clever Cat says, what is a scooter? What is a scooter? And Sammy Snake said, you don't know what a scooter is? A scooter is like a bicycle, right? A scooter is like a bicycle, but we can use our legs to push the scooter, right? No need to ride like a bicycle, just push with our legs, right? With our feet. And then Clever Cat said, okay, I can ride the scooter for you because I have 4 legs, right? Clever Cat has 4 legs, so he can use the scooter very quickly. And Sammy Snake said, okay, but before I go on the scooter, I want to tie my scarf. Right? Sammy Snake has a scarf because it's so cold. I want to tie my scarf on the scooter so that I will not lose my scarf. Okay? So Sammy Snake tied his scarf on the scooter so that it will not fly away when they're riding the scooter, right? Finally, they get to the beach, right? They get to the beach. And then Sammy Snake said, "Oh, it is so hot here in the beach. It's a good thing I took off my scarf, right? It's a good thing I took off my scarf." And Clever Cat says, "Yes, you are right. It is scorching hot. It is super hot, scorching hot in the beach, right? On the beach. What should we do? What should we do?" And then Sammy Snake pointed at the school near the beach, right? And then Sammy Snake said, "Look at the school near the beach. They might have some water for us to drink. I feel so thirsty because it's so scorching here on the beach. Let's go ask the students in the school if they have some water." All right. As soon as they got to the school, all of the boys and girls went out of the school. They scattered everywhere. And then Sammy Snake cannot find Clever Cat anymore. What do you think Sammy Snake did? What did he do? Or what did he do? He looked for the scooter with the scarf on it, right? Sammy Snake looked for all the scooters. So Sammy Snake went to scooter number 1. The scooter number 1 doesn't have a scarf. Is that where he will meet Clever Cat? Yes? No, right? So Sammy Snake went to scooter number 2. This one has a scarf on it. Is that where he will meet Clever Cat? No? Is it no or yes? It should be yes, right? Because Sammy Snake tied the scarf on his scooter, right? And so Sammy Snake waited for Clever Cat near the scooter with the scarf on it. And then Clever Cat finally bringing some water and some snacks for them to share, right? And then Clever Cat said, "Finally, I found you. I've been looking for my scooter with your scarf all over the place. But there are so many scooters scattered around the beach." Okay? And then Sammy Snake said, "Yes, I was afraid I couldn't find the scooter. Next time, right? Next time, let's not use the scooter anymore to travel so far away. Let's just stay playing in the playground, okay? Where I can wear my scarf because it is very cold. I don't want to play on the beach where it is scorching hot, scorching hot." So in the end, right, Sammy Snake says, "All right, let's go back home on the scooter." And then Clever Cat said, "Wait, before we go on the scooter, you have to put on your scarf because it is cold when we go back to the playground in Letterland." And so Sammy Snake put on his scarf, hopped on the scooter, and then Clever Cat used his 4 legs, right? 4 legs pushing the scooter to go back to Letterland very quickly. All right? And then when they got to Letterland, they started playing all the games that they want, not worrying about getting lost, okay? Because they know how to go back to Letterland. All right, so in this story, right, we heard a lot of sound like scorch, right? Scorching hot. Scooter. Also the word scattered, right? And scarf. So what do you think their sound is together? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. What do you think their sound is together? What do you think? All right, very good. Sk. Okay, now we will go to Letterland to make sure if your answers are correct. Do you want to go to Letterland now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Let's go to Letterland. Oops. Let's go to Letterland. How do I go? There we go. All right, so now let's look for Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Is this Sammy Snake and Clever Cat?
No.
Is this Sammy Snake and Clever Cat? Is this Sammy Snake and Clever Cat? Is this Sammy Snake and Clever Cat?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So let's go and meet them. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go and meet them. Listen carefully, all right? 1, 2, 3.
Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Sammy Snake says S, and Clever Cat says K. Together, they say sk. In scarf and school and scales.
Okay. So very good. All of you can guess the sound correctly, right? Sammy Snake says S, and Clever Cat says K. Together they say sk in words like scarf, school, and scales. Okay? Scarf. Can you say it loudly? 1, 2, 3. Scarf. School. Again, school.
School.
Scales.
Scale.
Scales.
Scales.
Alright, so let's read everything together with them. Alright, one more time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Chant. Sammy Snake and Clever
Okay.
Cat.
Let's do it together.
Sammy Snake says
"S."
and Clever Cat says k. Together they say sk. In scarf and
Scarf,
school and
school, and
scales.
scales. Very good. Scarf, school, and scales. All right. So on our book, right? On our book, page 18, we have the music, right? Can you please circle all the sk sound, all the sk sound that we can find, all right? So on page 18, all right? Page 18, find all the sk sound you can find, all right? All right, so find all the sk. I will play the song twice, okay? The first time we will use to look for the sk sound. Second one to sing together, okay? So take your time.
Song.
Circle the sk sound. Where can you find the sk?
Sammy Snake and Clever Cat scrambled on their scooter, made a flag from Sammy's scarf and tied it to their hooter. They set off at a scorching pace, holding very tight. Are you scared? Cried Clever Cat, as Sammy screamed with fright. They scattered children everywhere, scooting into school. Gather round, the teacher cried, oh scooters, that's the rule.
Alright, so I think you need some more time, right? So I'll play it 3 times. So 1 more time for listening, the next time for singing together.
Song.
Sammy Snake and Clever Cat scrambled on their scooter, made a flag from Sammy's scarf and tied it to their hooter. They set off at a scorching pace, holding very tight. Are you scared? Cried Clever Cat, as Sammy screamed with fright. They scattered children everywhere, scooting into school. Gather round, the teacher cried, oh scooters, that's the rule.
Alright, so you should have circled all the sk sound, right? Alright, I'll give you a few more seconds to finalize all the sk sound, right? Okay, good. So we have loads of words, right, with sk sound. Alright, so let's try to sing together and then we will circle all together, okay? One
Song.
more time.
Sammy Snake and Clever Cat scrambled on their scooter, made a flag from Sammy's scarf and tied it to their hooter. They set off at a scorching pace, holding very tight. Are you scared? Cried Clever Cat, as Sammy screamed with fright. They scattered children everywhere, scooting into school. Gather round, the teacher cried, oh scooter, that's the rule.
Okay, so they went into the school, right? And then all the students scattered because they have their scooter going inside the school. And the teacher said, "Scallywags, no scooter." That's the rule. That means you cannot use the scooter inside the school, right? Alright, so now where are the sk sounds, right? We have here scrambled, right? Scrambled. Scooter, right? Scarf. Where else? Scorching. Scared. Screamed. Scattered again. Scooting. Scallywags and scooter. Alright, so we have those sk sounds. Again, what is the sound of this? What is the sound of this friends together? Sk, sk, sk. Very good. Sk. Right? Good work. So now we will meet our new friend, okay? Our new friend. And who is this new friend? Right? This new friend is... Where is our new friend? Yeah, Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Where are they? I cannot find them. Okay. This... Oh, how come there's Harry Hatman in between? Alright, this is our new friends for today, our other friends. Sammy Snake and Kicking King, okay? Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Now, do you want to hear their story together?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, let's listen carefully, okay? Alright. So, once upon a time, Sammy Snake and Kicking King were so bored inside the castle of the Kicking King. And the Kicking King said, I want to go somewhere fun. Somewhere where we haven't been before. And Sammy Snake says, I wonder where to go. And the Kicking King said, I heard last time you went out. You went out with Clever Cat to a very hot place. You went to the beach. And then Sammy Snake said, yes, we used the scooter to go to a very hot place. And the Kicking King said, I don't want to go to a hot, scorching place. I want to go somewhere cold. And then Sammy Snake said, you want to go somewhere cold? I think we can go up the mountain where there is snow. And then Kicking King said, yes, good idea. I want to go up the mountain where there is snow so that I can ski. I can ski. And then Sammy Snake said, Kicking King, what is ski? What is skiing? And then Kicking King took out 2 sticks. 1 stick, 2 stick, and 2 very long, thick, very long shoes, right? Look like very long shoes. And then Kicking King said, I can use these sticks and this very long wood on my shoes to ski. And then Kicking King said, skiing is a kind of game, a kind of sport that I like to play. I go up the mountain and then I ski all the way down the bottom of the mountain. And then Sammy Snake said, that sounds like so much fun. Should I join you to go skiing? And then Kicking King said, you have to be very careful. Skiing is not as simple as roller skates, okay? Skiing, you need a lot of skill. You need a lot of lessons, right? A lot of skill. And then Sammy Snake said, watch me. I think I can ski better than you. So Sammy Snake and Kicking King went up to the mountain. And then here, they started to ski together, right? And then the Kicking King skied very fast all the way to the bottom. But Sammy Snake, right? Sammy Snake doesn't know how to ski. So once he started to ski, he tumbled. He tumbled, oh no, and then he went rolling down the mountain, right? And then, because he was rolling down the snow, the mountain, right? He became into a snowball, and then all the way down he fell down. He hit the Kicking King as a snowball, and the Kicking King said, haha, you are not as skillful as I am when it comes to skiing. And then Sammy Snake said, it's okay, I think I'm not good at skiing, but I will stay playing some skating games. And then Kicking King said, okay, I can play skating with you. So at the end, Sammy Snake and Kicking King went back to the castle and just played skates, okay? Alright, so in this story, I use a lot of sounds, right? A lot of sounds like skiing, skillful, skates, right? Lots of sound. What do you think Sammy Snake and Kicking King sound is together? What? Also sk, right? So let's see if you are correct. Let's see if you are correct, alright? Let's see if you are correct. Alright, so let's go see Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Is this Sammy Snake and Kicking King?
No.
Is this Sammy Snake and Kicking King?
No.
How about this one?
No.
This one?
No.
This one?
No. Yes.
This one? Where is Sammy Snake and Kicking King? Is it this one?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, so let's go there, okay? And let's listen carefully, alright? Use your ears, listen carefully. We're going to do this together also, alright? We're going there in 1, 2, 3.
Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Sammy Snake says S, and Kicking King says K. Together they say sk. In skip and ski and skirt.
Alright, so we have Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Sammy Snake says S, and Kicking King says K. Together they say sk. Very good, sk. In words like skip, right? On a skipping rope, skip, ski, and skirt.
Skirt.
Can we all say the words together 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Skip.
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 Skip. All right, this one, ski.
Ski.
Ski. Ski. Very good. Skirt.
Skirt.
Skirt. Skirt. Very good. All right, so we can hear the sk in skip, ski, and skirt. Right? Skirt, ski, and skip. Now, is this the same sound as Sammy Snake and Clever Cat? Yes, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat is the same sound also. Remember, Sammy Snake and Clever Cat is also sk, right?
Sammy Snake and Clever Cat.
Let's see what sound they make.
Sammy Snake says s, and Clever Cat says k. Together, they say sk.
Right? Together they say sk, right? And also this one, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat.
Sammy Snake
and Kicking King.
and Kicking King.
Let's sing it together.
Sammy Snake
says
says and Kicking King says k.
Together they say sk.
In skip and ski and skirt.
Right? And they also say sk. So 2 sounds, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat says sk, sk. And Kicking King and Sammy Snake also says sk, right? Sk. Now on our book, page 19. Our book, page 19, we can find the song, right? We can find the song on page 19. Page 19. Alright, so I want you to use your pencil and circle all the sk sounds on the song. Alright? Can you find all the sk sounds in the song? Alright? Marcus, go back to page 19, please. Page 19. Alright, circle the sk. Alright, I'll play the music twice, alright? You may start now. Circle the sk sound.
Song.
Who's that skiing skillfully? It looks like Sammy Snake. He's being careful not to skid onto the frozen lake. He has seen Kicking King skimming along on skates, who shows he's just as skillful at putting on his brakes.
Alright, so I'll give you around 10 more seconds. Find all the sk sound, the sk sound, okay? Find all the sk sound.
No. Only sk. This one, no.
Sk, right? Find all the sk. Alright, so now we will sing the song together, okay? Let's sing the song together.
Song.
Who's that skiing skillfully? It looks like Sammy Snake. He's being careful not to skid onto the frozen lake. He has seen Kicking King skimming along on skates, who shows he's just as skillful at putting on his brakes.
Alright, so let's find all the sk sound, the sk sound. This one, right? So here we have skiing. We have sk here, right? And then skillfully, skillfully, we have it here too. Then we have he's being careful not to skid, skid, right? Also here. He has seen Kicking King skimming, skimming along the skates, right? He shows he's just as skillful at putting on his brakes. Now I have something to ask you, right? Is this sk sound looks? No, right? This is ks, not sk. So this one is wrong. This is ks, not sk. We're only looking for the sk sound, okay? So what sound is this again? Let's read 3 times. Sk, sk, sk. Very good. So now let's go to the whiteboard, okay? Let's go to the whiteboard over here. Right, now let's go to the whiteboard, okay? On page 20. Page 20, alright? On page 20 we have some pictures, okay? We have some pictures. Same as your book, right? Like this. So, same as your book, like this, right? Page 20, alright? Page 20. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures, right? Please don't answer them right away. Wait for me, please. Okay, wait for me. We have 6 pictures, and then we have the 2 sk sounds, right? One is with clever cat, sk, and one is with kicking king, sk. All right. So we have to draw the lines. We have to draw the lines to match the sounds. Okay. Now the first picture. Look here, everyone. The first picture is school. School. Is it clever cat or kicking king? Sammy's thinking clever cat or kicking king. Can't hear you. Louder. Very good. So we draw the line to the clever cat, right? Sk, sk, sk. I think, right? That one has not been done as an example. And then we have one example, right? This one is ski. Ski. Is it with clever cat or with kicking king? Right, so the example already done, right? Like this, right? All right, what about the next one? We have this one. Skip. 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 Is it with kicking king or clever cat? Kicking king or clever cat? Skip. Skip. So please draw the line to kicking king, right? Kicking king. How about this one? School, right? Where to draw the line? Good. All right, what about the next one? We can see Sammy Snake wearing his scarf. Scarf. Is it kicking king or clever cat? Scarf.
Clever cat.
Clever cat. Very good. So draw the lines again. Draw the lines. Clever cat, right? Now we have 2 left. We only have 2 left. What about this one? The fish, right? The fish has scales, right? The kind of skin of the fish. Scales. Is it kicking king or clever cat? Scales.
Clever cat.
Very good, clever cat, right? So draw the line to clever cat. Okay, make sure you do it correctly. Alright? Alright. And then lastly, we have skirt. 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 Is it kicking king or clever cat? Right, kicking king. So you draw the line. Draw the line. Okay? So check your answers, please. I will give you 30 seconds. Check your answers. Okay, 30 seconds. Check your answers. You have your book, please? Thank you. Alright, good work everybody. Good work. Easy, right? Very easy. We know the sk, the 2 sk sound. One is kicking king and one is with clever cat. Now let's go to page 21. Page 21. We have all the pictures before, right? But now I want you to listen. Don't write down, right? Listen to me. Page 21. Right? Listen to me. Page 21, right? All right. So they are all sk sound. They are all sk. They are all sk or sk, right? We have 2 sk sound. So which one do we know which one to use? Which one, how to know what to use? We can look at the picture. Go back to page 20, right? You can look at page 20, the same pictures, right? So the first one is scarf, right? Scarf. Scarf. How do we spell scarf? Is it with kicking king or clever cat? Scarf. How to spell scarf? Kicking king or clever cat?
Clever cat.
Very good. So it's S, Sammy Snake, and Clever Cat, right? Scarf. Scarf. What about the second picture? This is ski. Ski. Is it with Kicking King or Clever Cat? Ski.
King.
Very good. So write down Sammy Snake and Kicking King, right? Very easy, right?
Yeah.
Now let's do question number 3 together. This is skirt. Skirt. Is it with Kicking King or Clever Cat? Skirt. Skirt. Sammy Snake and
Kicking
Clever
King.
Cat or Sammy Snake and Kicking King?
King.
Right, so Sammy Snake and Kicking King, alright? Alright, so can you please do questions number 4 and 5 by yourself now? Please do questions number 4 and 5 by yourself. If you don't know, you can look back at page 21. Match the pictures, right? This is skip, school. Oops, I forgot one letter on this one. There's H here. School and scales, okay? Easy, right?
Yes.
Alright, let me check if you got correct. Scarf, ski, skirt, skip, school, and scale. Okay. Alright, please finish it. Even the ones at home, right? Students at home, please finish. Alright, so let me see if I can give you chops. Good. Okay, can I have yours, Marcus? Alright, everyone at home, okay? Check your answers. Good. Alright. What about you, Yanni? This one I can give you one mistake only, so I can give you smiley face, okay? Smiley face. Alright, so remember I asked you to do this part, right, by yourself. Now let's check the answers together, okay? Let's check the answers together. So this one, number 4, is skip. Skip. Can I hear you say it? 1, 2, 3.
Skip.
Skip. Very good. So this skip, right, we can see over here. Is it with Sammy Snake and Kicking King or Sammy Snake and Clever Cat?
Kicking King.
Very good, Kicking King. So we will put Sammy Snake and Kicking King. Now let's try to read it as blending, okay? Sk, ip, sk, ip, skip. Alright, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Sk, ip, sk, ip, skip. Okay, very good, skip. Alright, next one, number 5 is school. School. Now, how do we spell school? Is it with Sammy Snake and Clever Cat or Sammy Snake and Kicking King?
Clever Cat.
Very good, so it's Sammy Snake and Clever Cat, okay? So we can do the blending together. This is sk-ool, sk-ool, school, okay? So can we do the blending together? 1, 2, 3. Sk-ool, sk-ool, school. Okay, good. Next one, the last one, let's check the answer. This should be scales. Scales. The kind of skin the fish has, right? Scales. Now let's look over here. Scales. Is it with Sammy Snake and Kicking King or Sammy Snake and Clever Cat?
I forget.
Very good. So we will write down Sammy Snake and Clever Cat together, right? Sammy Snake and Clever Cat together. Alright, so let's do the blending together again. Sk-ales, sk-ales, scales. Okay, let's do one more time together. 1, 2, 3. Sk-ales, sk-ales, scales. Okay, let's do one more time together. What's this? How to read again? Scales. 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 Okay, very good. So please do the blending, okay? Very important. Do the blending part at home to practice, okay? Now we will do some blendings, okay? We will do some blendings. We have 4 sounds for each. 4 sounds, okay? 4 sounds, okay? Or we can make 5 sounds for this one, okay? Now we will only do 4 sounds for this one because we will learn something new in a few lessons later. All right, so I will remove one. Scan, Scott, good, okay? One more for you. Okay. So everyone, let's do the blending exercise together, okay? Together. Now, Sammy Snake says, Sammy Snake says, Sammy Snake says, and Clever Cat says, everyone, Clever Cat says, together they say, what do they say together? Very good. So now let's do the blending sound, okay? The blending sound, okay? Here we have sk, and this one is an. Pay attention, please, everyone. Look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard, everyone. We have sk, and we have an, okay? So I will do the blending. Listen carefully. Avery, listen. Sk, an, sk, an. Scan, okay? Scan, right? Now let's go to the next one. Again, sk, owl, sk, owl, scowl, okay? Scowl. Yanhei, pay attention. All right. Here we have sk, old, sk, old. Cold, okay? This is Mr. O over here. Can you guys pay attention, please? Otherwise, you will not know how to read. All right? Again. Sk, old, sk, old, scold. Okay? Next one. Sk. How to read this? Up P umbrella and dippy duck. How to read? Sk. And then ud, sk, ud, scud. Okay? So who can do it by yourself? That's why I'm asking you to do it with me, right? So you can do by yourself, right? Do you know how to do by yourself? Yes or no? No, right? So listen carefully. Listen. I will do again. Listen. If you don't know, then oh no, big problem, right? So listen carefully and follow me, please. Listen and follow. Again. Sk, an, sk, an, scan. Pay attention, again. 1, 2, 3. Sk, an, scan. Okay, let's start with Avery. People at home can go with Avery, okay? Everyone follow Avery, okay? People at home, I mean. Yanhei and Marcus, keep quiet, okay? So Avery and everyone at home. Can you start now? 1, 2, 3.
And scan.
Very good. Sk, and scan. Okay? Next one, let's ask Marcus. Marcus. How to read together? How to read? Scowl. Very good, Marcus. Scowl. So Marcus says, sk, owl, scowl. Okay, very good. Scowl. Okay, what about you, Miss Yanhei? This is ud. Okay, ud. Be careful. Ud. So how to read this? Scud. Again, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it together. Yanhei. Very good, scud. Okay. Scud. Scud. Okay. Now, everyone, let's do the last one together. 1, 2, 3. Old. Old. Cold. Okay? Let's do one more time. This one together. 1, 2, 3. Sk. Old. Sk. Old. Cold. Okay? Good? Understand? Okay, so now let's go to semi-snake and kicking king. Here we have 5 sounds. Let me check if we have enough time. Alright, we have enough time, okay? So semi-snake and kicking king, alright? Pay attention to the whiteboard. Whiteboard.
Marcus.
Okay, good. Alright, so semi-snake says... Semi-snake only. And kicking king says... Together they will say... Sk. Very good. Same as Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Also sk, right? Alright. Here we have sk. Here we have ag. Sk. Ag. Sk. Ag. Skag. Okay? I will do again. Listen carefully. Pay attention. I will ask you later. Sk. Ag. Sk. Ag. Skag. Skag. Okay? Next one we have sk and n. Okay? Sk. N. Sk. N. Scan. Alright, pay attention again, please. 1, 2, 3. Sk. N. Sk. N. Scan. And scan. Now we're doing this one, okay? Next one, we have sk and in. Sk, in, okay? So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Sk, in, sk, in, skin. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Sk, in, sk, in, skin. Skin, right? Skin. Alright, next one. Let's do the next one. Okay, we have sk and ought. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Sk, ought, sk, ought, scot. Alright, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Sk, ought, sk, ought, scot. Scot. Okay, Scott. Alright, last one. Let's go to the last one. Okay? This one. Sk and un. Very good. So let's do it together slowly. Sk, un, sk, un, skun. Alright? Let's do it again one more time. 1, 2, 3. Sk, un, sk, un, skun. Okay? Let's ask 2 students for now. Okay, it's 2 students. Let's ask maybe Mr. Marcus. Mr. Marcus, this is your word. How to read?
Scott.
Scott. Very good. So Marcus said sk, ought, Scott. Very good. All right. Next one, last one. We will have Yanhei. Yanhei, can you read this one? Very easy. Sk and ag. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Ag. Ag. Sag.
Again. Sk, ag. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ag. Sag.
All right. Be careful. This is sk, ag. Again. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Sk. Skag. Again. Okay, let's do it all together. Yanhei, listen carefully. Everyone, 1, 2, 3. Sk. Ag. Sk. Ag. Skag. Alright? Skag. Okay, so everyone, today for our class we did Sammy Snake and Clever Cat. Together they say sk, right? And also Sammy Snake and Clever King. Again, together they say sk, also sk, right? So please, at home, when you are at home, please study all the blending sounds, okay? How to read the blending. Sk and scan, sk al, scal, sk, old, scold, sk, ud, scud. And also with kicking king, right? Sk, ag, skag, sk, and scan, sk, in, skin, sk, ot, scot, sk, un, skun, right? Please go home and study the blending so that you know how to read them carefully, alright? So thank you very much, everyone. I hope to see you again in the next lesson. Bye-bye.